Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, thermal paste, and isopropyl alcohol for cleaning. Start by powering off your laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. Remove the battery if possible, as this will ensure safety during the process. Next, locate the screws on the back panel of your HPT DA0031NS. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew all the screws. Keep them in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once all screws are removed, gently pry open the back panel using the flathead screwdriver. Be cautious not to damage any clips or connectors. With the back panel removed, you will see the internal components of your laptop. Locate the cooling fan and the heat sink, which are typically situated near the CPU. Before proceeding, it's a good idea to clean the area around the CPU and heat sink with a soft brush or cloth to remove any dust or debris. Now carefully disconnect the fan from the motherboard. This usually involves unscrewing a couple of screws and gently lifting the fan out of its place. Once the fan is removed, you will have access to the heatsink. Unscrew the screws holding the heatsink in place and gently lift it off the CPU. You may notice old thermal paste on the CPU and the heatsink. Using a lint-free cloth or paper towel, apply a small amount of isopropyl alcohol to clean off the old thermal paste from both the CPU and the heatsink. Ensure that both surfaces are completely clean and free of residue. This step is crucial for optimal thermal conductivity. Once cleaned, it's time to apply the new thermal paste. Squeeze a small amount of thermal paste onto the center of the CPU. A pea-sized amount is usually sufficient. When you reattach the heatsink, it will spread the paste evenly across the surface. Carefully place the heatsink back onto the CPU, ensuring it aligns properly with the screw holes. Secure it in place by tightening the screws in a diagonal pattern to ensure even pressure. After that, reconnect the fan to the motherboard and secure it with its screws. Before reassembling the back panel, it's wise to check that everything is connected properly and that there are no loose screws. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, so you can have your laptop serviced without any hassle. Our professional diagnosis is without obligation, ensuring you know exactly what needs to be done. Now replace the back panel by aligning it correctly and pressing down gently until it clicks into place. Reinsert all the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tightened securely but not overly tight, as this could damage the casing. Finally, reinsert the battery if you removed it and power on your laptop. Monitor the temperatures to ensure that the new thermal paste is working effectively. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair. Remember, with our service, there are no calls, no travel, just a simple and efficient solution to your laptop needs. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.